positively and inspire others with commitment and creativity. Remember that you are the ambassadors of our school's values, respect, responsibility, and resilience. As you embark on this leadership today, in this journey, I encourage you with 4 points to remember. Embrace challenges. Very good. Yes. Now to all of you dear students, I urge all of you to support your leaders. Offer them your cooperation, your trust and your respect. Together you can achieve great things and make our school a place where everyone can thrive. In closing, I want to give a big thanks to the outgoing student council who worked tirelessly towards the growth of our school. I extend also my heartfelt congratulations to all of you new
for your inspiring words. Your guidance will undoubtedly light the path of our young leaders. Let us start the ceremony by calling our and the gracious and intelligent head girl, Miss Shosna Sahu. May I request the newly elected head boy and head girl to come forward for their badges. I request our esteemed principal to pin the badges and present the sashes to our head boy and head girl. Congratulations, both head boy and head girl. May I now request our newly elected assistant boy Arpit Singh and assistant girl Pratyasa Priyadarshini Pradhan to come up on the stage to collect their badges and sashes. I would like to request our esteemed Vice Principal, Sister Sarmila, to pin the badges and present the sashes. Thank you, sister, for doing the honor. Our cultural in charge teachers, Puspita ma'am, Mamta ma'am, Asima ma'am, Richa ma'am, please do the honor. Puspita ma'am, Mamta ma'am, Asima ma'am, Richa ma'am, please come up on the stage for doing the honor. Our newly elected discipline in charges are Shreya Soumya Behra, Satyam Pathak, Soumyasri Samant, Ansuman Sahu, Yasita Devuri. Please come on the stage for collecting your badges and cesses. Plavan sir, please come on the stage for pinning the badges. All the discipline in class teachers, I request please come up on the stage for pinning the badges and presenting the badges. संयुक्ता राजकुमारी, ग्रीन हाउस कैप्टन सौरभ रजक, वाइस कैप्टन दिव्यासा साहू, येलो हाउस कैप्टन शशांक रंजन and vice captain Vaishnavi Oja. I would like to request our house in charge teachers, please come up on the stage to do the honor. Nirmal sir, Sumitra ma'am, Suresh sir, Mamta ma'am, Asima. As a sign of promising to God and all those present over here, by all the
Attention, stretch your right hand. In the presence of our esteemed principal, vice principal, teachers, and our fellow students, we, the elected leaders of Amarwani School, stand united as we take our solemn oath. We pledge to uphold the values and tradition of our school with integrity and respect. We vow to serve our peers and school community with respect and honor, listen to voices of all, and to represent ourselves and fairness. We commit to lead by examples, fostering a spirit of collaboration, kindness, and academic excellence. As we promise to act with courage in face of challenges and always strive for the betterment of our school environment, we recognize the importance of our role and fulfill our duties with enthusiasm and sincerity. With this oath, we embrace the trust placed in us and dedicate ourselves to the leadership and services. Let our action reflect our words as we embark on this journey together. Strategies. Gratitude to all those who vote for me and to the principal, vice principal and teachers who believe in me that I am capable for this post. I am humbled by the trust and faith shown all by you. As I take the oath of being truthful, I promise you that I will do everything within my capacity to make mine and yours school life joyful. I want to take all of you along with me in this journey to groom ourselves into a responsible student of this school.
Respect
teachers and honored faculty. I am humbled and grateful to stand before you today as your newly elected head girl. I promise to serve our school with dedication, integrity, and compassion. I will work tirelessly to ensure that every student feels heard, seen, and supported. Let's make up. Let's strive together to create a school environment that's kind, collaborative, and empowering.
Congratulations to all newly inducted leaders. We are confident that you will uphold the
Congratulate the newly elected council members. Before I go into guidelines, I also take this opportunity to thank the outgoing council members for the responsibilities that they carried out in the last session 23-24 very honestly